Hello students, in this video we are going to solve exercise 4.4 question number 1. Okay, find the nature of the roots of the following quadratic equations. If the real roots exist, then find them. Okay, so here's the first question: 2x square minus 3x plus 5 equals to 0. Okay, so we need to compare the above equation with comparing the above equation with our standard equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Therefore, a is 2, b is minus 3 and c is 5. Okay, so before proceeding we need to find out the discriminant, that is d equals to b square minus 4ac. So what is my b? Minus 3 the whole square, 4 what is a, what is c? 5. 5 2s are 10, 10 4s are 40. So as you can see, the answer is coming minus 31, which is less than 0. Okay, so we know that since b square minus 4ac, that is the discriminant, is negative, so there is no possibility of getting the roots. Therefore, the given quadratic equation has no real roots. Okay, I hope you have understood this sum. Let us solve the next question, that is 3x square minus 4 under root 3x plus 4 equals to 0. So here we need to compare, so we'll do that. Comparing the above equation with ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Therefore, a is 3, b is minus 4 root 3 and c is 4. Okay, now first we'll find out the discriminant. So b square minus 4ac okay, so this will be minus 4, the whole square will be 16, square and this root will get cancelled out, so it will be 3. 4 4s are 16, 16 3s are 48, so it will be 48 minus 48 equals to 0. Okay, so d is 0. So in this situation we have two real roots which are equal, so we can write down the given quadratic equation has two real roots which are equal. Okay, now we need to understand here has two real roots which are equal and d is 0. Okay, so we know the equation x equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now if you see b square minus 4ac, the discriminant is 0. Okay, so if I put 0 over here, it is of no use. Okay, so we will get x equals to minus b upon 2a, and the other root also x equals to minus b upon 2a, because one is with plus and one is with minus. Okay, therefore x equals to minus, what is my b? Minus 4 root 3. I'm going to solve only for one, and I'm going to write down 2 times because the answer is like this, upon 2a. So this will be 4 root 3 upon 2 into 3. Okay, now this 2 and this 4 will get cancelled out and we'll get 2 over here. Now this 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3. Okay, because we know root 3 multiplied by root 3 is nothing but 3. Okay, so again this will get cancelled out and we will get x equals to 2 upon root 3. Similarly, because it has got two roots and which are equal, so the other root will also be the same, that is x equals to 2 upon root 3. Okay, so this will be your final answer. I hope you have understood. Thank you.